going to show you how to make Menemen, which has nothing to do with this guy,
The words won't come out.
or this.
Mah-na-mah-na.
More of that later. Menemen is a very simple Turkish street food, which is great for a snack or a supper. Heat a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. When the butter has melted, add in 2 red onions, thinly sliced.
Mah-na-mah-na.
Go away! Together with 2 garlic cloves, which have been roughly chopped, a thinly sliced green pepper, well, it's mostly green, and a teaspoon or 2 of chillis. I'm just being very lazy. If you can get Turkish red pepper, brilliant. Now mix it all together. Now cook until the veggies go soft. Yep, it's taken about 15 minutes, but they're now nice and soft. No! I'm now going to add in a 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Now cook on a medium-low heat for about 10 minutes or so. Bubble, bubble, simmer, simmer. Go away, bloody muppets. You'll know when it's ready because it'll have the consistency of a sauce. Give it some good old S&P. Mixy, mixy. Now then, take 3 tablespoons of a thick plain yoghurt and squeeze in a clove of garlic. Mixy, mixy. Job done. You can spoon a quarter of the mixture into a shallow baking dish. This is like a tapasy dish. Crack on an egg. And then stick it under a grill until the egg is done. When the egg is set, garnish with some of that lovely garlic yoghurt and some freshly chopped parsley. This is delicious to the power n, where n is an integer greater than 1. You decide. So remember, Menemen, Turkish street food, and definitely not this.
Mah-na-mah-na. Mah-na-mah-na.
Menemen.
Mah-na-mah-na. 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 Mah-na-mah-na.